Let's look at the today's trade in Bank Nifty. So this was a no trade zone. We don't take any trading decision. And the first trade which happened at 11:30, 33,700, I was looking for the long at this area, and the SL was 40 points below, which is 660. What not taken my SL. The price moved in my favor. The target was first target is 800, second target is 950. 950 reached, and I exited all the position at this point. The reason is very simple. In this whole zone, the buyers were weak. The buyers could not push the price up. They are so weak. At the same time, look at this area. This is a BYF. I have posted this BYF before it forms. So the price comes here, it reversed, BYF entry at 33,961. As expected, a fall happens. And for the exit, day low was exit. First thing 33,500, and the next target was 33,320, this area, and the second target achieved. And I was expected if price accepted below 33,320, it will go for 33,050. As expected, price reached all the targets, and it was 850 points movement just for keeping a one small stop loss above the day high. It's called a BYF trade setup. So watch your BYF setup, join the Telegram channel, understand the logical trading system. See you next time. Thank you.